day. Here's the Progressives. I have $200 in the machine. We'll start off with a $2 denom. We'll go down to 50. Wish me luck. See, if he was right there, that would have been nice. Let's get 3 gongs. Fireball bonus. One more. One more? Alright, 2 more. Dang, they keep giving me 2 gongs. One more. You could have given me that, man. Alright. Boo. Okay, so sorry. My alarm went off. 10 cents and all now. Golden gong is tough. Why you not showing me any love, man? Where's the 5 cents? 6.25. One more. Oh, just slip right on down. Oops. Well, let's just. We might as well do 1250, right? Oh, okay. Okay. At least I got that. Alright, let's go. Perfect. Yep. No music? Okay. Let's get a pearl. Your trigger or a pearl? Ooh. That's $50. I guess. Do it. Ooh. So close. One more more spin. Alright, my last spin too. You should have seen what popped up on, oh my gosh, it was like a 250. It was a lot of good pearls. Oh yes. Hopefully it comes back. It was on a 250 bet too. It was like a 250 pearl, 75. It was a lot of big pearls. Come on, Major. Grand. Ooh, the Major was right there. Anything? Woo! Let's go. That would have been real nice, but that was nice too. Pearl again. Or retrigger. Or turtle. Oh, I thought that was the last spin for some reason. Nice. Not bad. Do it. Progressives. This might be a good game. Alright, let's go. Told you this might be a quick game. One more. Alright, we're gonna do some happy and prosperous today. Here's the progressives. It's a maxed out major. I got some free play in here that's not a lot, so we're gonna play kind of slow. Let's start off with 5 cents. We're gonna do 125, do it 250 and 375 bets. Wish me luck. Ooh. video is probably gonna be copyrighted. Ooh, yes. On 375 too. Thank you. Alright, they're really strict with recording here, so give me something good. Oh, nice. Oh man, I just needed one more. Yeah, not bad. Alright, let's continue. Nice. Alright, give me a fireball on this, please. And thank you on a 375 bet. One more. Come on. What a jerk. Alright. I have enough for one more. Alright, this is what I got with my free play. Thank you. Alright, Golden Century, $100 on the machine. Progressives. This might be a quick game. Let's hope not. Alright.
Any drinks?
Oh, nice. Alright, back at 100. put another 100 in the machine. We're gonna do 5 cents an arm now.
Check that.
Oh, nice. Mom. Come on, Gordon. We'll play down at 50. One more. That's crazy. I haven't gotten a bonus yet.